Hello, this is Bill with the Wilderness Hiker. I'm out here at the Elk City Reservoir on the Elk River Hiking Trail. It's a full moon tonight. I'm going to do a full moon hike and just check out the woods in the dark with the full moon. It's going to be really cool. Come on, let's go. Let's check this out. This is where the old road used to be. It's completely overgrown. It's all turning to vegetation. Even last year you could find the road, not this year. It's just grass and weeds and bushes. Time to set up the tent. Moon's starting to come up. It'll be up pretty good in just a few minutes in the dark. Go out, see what I can see, orange to orange, and do all the little clippy things here. Clippy, 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 clippy there. Tent is easy to set up. Nice to have this little piece. I had a black one and lost it, now I got an orange one. Real trick getting it replaced, but got it. The people at the tent company are really good. Very helpful and all that cool stuff. They did it really fast. Gray to gray, gray to gray, orange to orange, and orange to orange. Get a few little tent stakes here, and it'll be good. Yep, it's really rocky here. Got one. This is nothing but the rockiest ground out here. I have a flat rock race named after the rocks. It's not going to rain, but the tent's good for bugs. There's no shortage of bugs. Some of them trying to bite me. It's time to cook dinner. Got my cook kit here. Got noodles, soup, chicken, the soup, the flavor, with the noodles, the water, put the olive oil in a minute. Lots of water to rehydrate with. It's not just for cooking. Set up a little stove here, gas can, stove, and legs for the gas can so it's harder to turn it over. There it goes, the chicken end. I will go get a bandana for a hot pad and the olive oil. About an ounce of olive oil. It's cooked. It's time to eat. Tasty chicken noodle soup. It's kind of warm for eating soup, but hey, this is good stuff. The moon is coming up now, and pretty soon I'll be out hiking. Night hike, full moon. There's the moon up there. It's absolutely beautiful. It's really nice to be able to walk around out here at night and see. It is 11:13. The moon is up about a quarter of the way up. So I guess I'll be out here at about 1 to get it all the way up. This is moonlight only, shot on a Sony camera with a 24mm f1.4 lens. It's at 25,000 ISO and at a shutter speed of 1/15 of a second. There's a tiny lume cube light used here. The only light here is moonlight and starlight. The only light here is the headlamp turned down low. This is how well the camera sees in the dark. Of course, there's some noise from the high ISO and a little motion blur from the shutter speed. You can shoot video in the dark. A faster lens is available, but it will require a cameraman to pull focus. This is a night hike at the Elk River Hiking Trail. It's been beautiful. It's wonderful being out in the full moon. It's an experiment on how to do video at night, get a good background as well as a good foreground. I've got a series of these. If you find this interesting, click the like button, go look at the other videos, and don't forget to go down and hit the subscribe button. See y'all next time.